So, ladies and gentlemen, right now I am in Buscar company. Just come closer, let me show you the office. So today we're going to be showing the Buscar office, and I'm really glad that they got me to come over here today. They invited me over. Let's just get to the company. I've always loved to work with a car company. Perhaps this may be the start of something great. Um, as you can see here, this is their logo, and as you can even see on my t-shirt, I am wearing it. This was when they collaborated with Cummins, if you know the brand, Buscar. And in the office, you just knock. Let's go in. Yeah. Thank you, sir. Well done. Good afternoon. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Newman, Yange, and I am a founder and a CEO of NYNTH, a clothing brand. And today, I've always dreamt of, working with a car company, like I mentioned earlier. And I've always dreamt of owning a company, an office like this where ideas turn into reality. And today, Buscar gave me that. As you can see, the pillow here. The first thing I saw. Oh, the mic. It kind of like reminds me about the come up, you know, about what we dream to be, where we want to be. Just like saying, you now watching this, you might have a goal to get 5 million. Now you're aspiring to be a millionaire. It may come in different definition, but all in all, I'm just pleased that this environment is quite welcoming and inspiring. So as we move further and further, I would show you around more. You know, from the moment I walked into the office, it kind of like I felt the energy. Seeing the logos around, you see, and also seeing the environment, it kind of like pushes me to do better. And someday touches me that maybe, perhaps, not even maybe, someday I'll own my own company and see my own logo around. Even you watching this and you behind the camera. So, and it just makes me to do better. Working with people around and seeing him make phone calls and everything just makes it all better and just touches me to say start from somewhere, and it's just about that first move that you make. So, what did I learn today? What I learned is that it's deeper than just owning a business. It's about making that decision, pushing things forward, and taking risks sometimes. Even though I'm not trading right now, I'm just looking at the charts, monitoring what's going on. And today I was not able to check the charts at all. I did check it early in the morning, but some days it may get hard, but at least show up. That's all that matters. Maybe even if it gets to talk or something, 1% a day, 1% a day for 100 days, you know how much that will be. So now let's get to the best part of this video, whereby we're meeting the CEO and founder of Buscar's company. So before we just take a look around, I kind of like that painting there. There are two different paintings. Then I just sit there and okay, no, let's not talk too much. Let's get in. Let's not talk too much. Good day, sir.
Yeah, how are you?
Fine.
Let's see that.
Okay, thank you. Alright, so I'm here live with the CEO in the office, and sir, this is quite a wonderful office here, and I really love it, especially those books.
Thank you so much.
I love it. So, sir, thank you for having me over. Thank you for letting me visit the office, because it's a privilege. I know some people book appointment for this, but we got to come here and meet. So before we end this video, I would like to say what inspired Buscar's company as a whole.
Disruptive thinking, ability to do things differently in a disruptive way. It's just like an avalanche. When it drops, it explodes
Yes.
and it spread. It hasn't happened yet. The avalanche just dropped. The explosion is yet to come.
Wow.
And when it comes, everywhere will feel it. That's disruptive thoughts behind the Buscar brand.
So, and I'll say, is there any like few words you have to tell the younger ones watching this at home?
Yes, 3 words.
Okay.
Number 1, when you have an idea, there's no such thing as a dumb idea. The disruptive brand today started with an idea. Regardless how other people think or feel about your idea or they think it's dumb, idea can change the whole world. I give you an instance. Facebook started as an idea.
Yes.
Today, it's a multi-billion dollars enterprise. So whatever ideas you have, never you take it for granted. Number 2, get started. The small idea can turn out to be a big enterprise. But for that to happen, you've got to get started. If you do not get started, you will never know. Get started. You don't need money. You don't need anything. All you need is your passion. Get started. Just like a slogan of a popular brand, Nike, just do it. And the final thought, consistency is the only key to success. When you have that idea, others may consider it a dumb idea, get started. When you get started, be consistent. Buscar started as an idea. We've gotten started, today is visible. Right?
Yes.
Consistency is what brought great success. You've got to be consistent. At some point, you'll face some challenges, but you just have to keep going. Consistency is the key to success. Not an instant and overnight success, but you've got to be consistent in your grinding. You've got to grind consistently, and that's what brings about success. I hope these few thoughts helps.
Well, you've heard it from the man himself, and even me, I'm taking that home today, and I would love it if you could also maybe comment your favorite part of it. So, once more, thank you for having me over here.
You're welcome. Always welcome.
Thank you. So this was a lovely talk, and someday I know I aspire to be a CEO, being in this position, and I know that this is just the beginning, and that, you know, as always, in every journey that you take and every steps you take, whether you fall, you try to get back up. I remember, stay above.